In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a checkout element in ClickFunnels. This skill will enable you to streamline the payment process on your sales pages, making it easier for customers to complete their purchases and ultimately boosting your conversions. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to navigate to the page editor on your ClickFunnels dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice various features allowing you to customize your sales page. Here, our goal is to add a checkout element to facilitate a seamless purchasing experience for your customers. Now, look for the plus node, which is symbolized by a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new features and elements to your page. When you click this icon, you'll be able to add a variety of elements to your page. You should see a panel or list pop up, displaying all the different options you can include on your site. From this list, you want to focus on the element labeled Checkout. It might be tempting to explore other options, but since our mission is to embed the checkout element, that's where our attention needs to be. Click on Checkout, and just like that, the element will be added to your page. It's a straightforward process, but let's discuss why this element is so important. The checkout element is crucial because it's where the financial transaction will take place. You want this to be as frictionless as possible for your customer. Often, if these elements are clumsy or difficult to use, you risk losing potential revenue. By embedding the checkout element cleanly and efficiently, you're ensuring that the customer's journey from browsing to buying is smooth, which is essential for maintaining high conversion rates. As you customize your checkout element, pay attention to the design and user experience. A clear, intuitive layout is key to keeping your customers engaged and encouraging them to complete their purchase. You might want to test different variations to see which design resonates best with your audience. Sometimes, even small tweaks can significantly impact conversion rates. Remember to save your changes frequently as you work. It's always a good strategy to preview the page after embedding the checkout component to see how it looks from a customer's perspective. This final step will help you catch any issues or areas for improvement before going live. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded a checkout element in ClickFunnels. This simple addition can transform your sales pages into powerful revenue-generating tools. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to help you make the most of ClickFunnels and optimize your online business operations.